Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the patch. Note size, depth, and any rust so you know what products you need. Once assessed, wash the panel thoroughly and wipe with 70% IPA to remove oils. This makes paint stick. Next, you tape off surrounding areas and sand the damaged zone with 300-400 grit, focusing on lifting loose paint and feathering edges to 1/8 inch so transitions will blend. Do this now. The stronger your prep, the better the final adhesion and finish. Once the surface is bare or roughened, apply an epoxy primer to any exposed metal to prevent corrosion and improve adhesion. If the patch has low spots, mix a 2-part body filler and apply in thin layers. Let it cure fully because undercured filler sands poorly. After shaping, sand starting at 80 grit for rough shaping, then work toward 180 and finally 300-2600 grit to smooth. Make sure to remove all dust with a tack cloth and a final IPA wipe, so the primer adheres without fisheyes. Now you'll apply the base coat. Use 2 to 4 light passes to build color evenly and flash for 5 to 10 minutes between coats. This prevents runs and promotes uniform coverage. After base, spray 2 to 3 clear coats, following product cure times and avoiding heavy wet coats that sag. Once fully cured, wet sand starting at 1,000 then 1,500 to 2,000 grit to remove orange peel. Then polish with a medium compound and finish with a fine polish and sealant. If you get dust nibs, use 1,500 grit to level and repolish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.